Welcome to the channel. Today I'm gonna give you 3 tips on how you can grow a $10 account like I did with this account trading Kiwi dollar. Number one, normal risk management, like risking 1 or 2%, like most trading gurus or educators tell you, does not apply to trading a small account because it's impossible to follow. You're better off setting your own risk parameters. Number two, trust your analysis. When you're trading a small account, you have a smaller margin of error, and mismanaging trades is going to hamper your progress tremendously. So if you analyze the market and you see a trade setup and you place the trade, let the trade play out. And if you're having trouble analyzing the market or you're still learning, I recommend you hit that subscribe button because I do daily market analysis and trade setups, and I also go live. So you can watch my videos and see how I analyze the market, or you can come to the live and ask questions. Tip 3 and the last one, have a plan with specific targets. Like with this account, I knew I wanted to make $5 or increase the account by 50%. Now, when I increase the account by another $5 and get to $20, I'm going to go back down to 10. And why you want to do this is because you want to focus on consistency and you don't want to get into a gambling mentality. That's what usually happens to people when they're trading small accounts. They get into this gambling mentality where if they doubled or tripled the account, they think the next trade, if they hit that trade, they're going to be set. But usually with that mindset, it leads to you not only losing the progress you made, but blowing up the whole account. I hope these tips help you out. Till next time.